Well, it is 7:37 at night. It's nighttime. And I'm home alone tonight. And we got new neighbors. So guess what I get to do? That's right, I'm gonna annoy them. They actually might not hear this because this is actually being powered on 12 volts. So this is actually quieter than normal. I'm actually wearing hearing protection today. Okay, this might be stupid, but I'm gonna open the door without the hearing protection on. So loud. Alright, I think that's enough of that. True alert. Maybe one more time. This time without my hearing protection. Ah. Alright. Alright, so next alarm I'm sounding for tonight is a Spectra Advance. Now this might actually be louder than the True Alert because I do believe that this device is meant for 12 volts and 24 volts. The reason why I'm not using my 24 volt DC power supply is because I actually fried it, I believe. Because I think I tried to wire way too many devices to it. It's only a 300 milliamp and I think I killed it. And this is actually on continuous high volume. So that is actually much louder than the True Alert. Okay, I'm definitely putting my hearing protection on before I get too close to it. Let me just put it on. Oh my god. This thing is a beast. Now, this is actually not the loudest alarm in decibel output, but what makes it the loud? I feel like what makes it the loudest alarm, the loudest, not the decibel output, but the actual noise, like the vibration, the frequency, makes it the loudest, the world's loudest fire alarm. I feel like. The True Alert could be louder, but I only powered it on 12 volts, and this is actually meant to be 24 volts DC. This also doesn't have any volume select. It's just a steady horn. And this one's actually, yeah, this is fixed. The addressable True Alerts might have volume control. I'm not actually sure because I'm not a Simplex expert. Alright, that's not the last device for our board tonight. We got the Exceder. Or maybe this time. There we go. This time I actually have a strobe. See the strobe coverage, it's only 15 candela. Alright. Oh, that was loud. Of course. So, I feel like this might be the loudest one so far we did tonight. I'm gonna do 2 more devices because I don't want to be that loud, honestly. I want to be kind of respectful because it is kind of getting late, but at the same time, I have new neighbors to annoy. Woohoo! Alright, gotta be quick so my phone is running out of storage. Anyways, next we got a Mimi horn. This one might be the quietest one I did all night. Especially because it's 24 volt running on 12 volts DC. And the last alarm for tonight, got the MT. This is gonna run a continuous horn. Just for the heck of it. And just for the heck of it, again, let's change the tone. Alright, I think that's it for tonight. My phone's about to run out of storage, so thanks for watching, and yeah.